Don't forget to enter into the drawing for Twin Peaks, a bar mill scale model works kit that I'll be giving away here next week. I'm not quite sure what day yet, either Monday or Wednesday, but I'm almost finished with it. I got the first one finished. I just finished doing the chimneys on it. So here's the first building right there. This is half of the peak. And today I have to do the roof, but here's the other half of the peak. And I'm doing shingles on this one. So to enter to win, go to workbenchwednesday@gmail.com. Give me your name and address and your channel name on YouTube or Rumble if you have it to enter. Okay, just because you went into Loft's Candies doesn't mean you're automatically entered into Twin Peaks. So we need those emails in here for you to enter. So hurry up and get it in so we could get this drawing going. It'll either be on Monday or Wednesday night. I'll let you know earlier on Monday when it will be exactly. Here's all you have to do right here. Twin Peaks giveaway. Send it to workbenchwednesday@gmail.com. Put your name, your channel name from YouTube or Rumble, and address and phone number if you're in Canada. I'm not sure how the postal service works in Canada, but do that to get your name in this contest. Right here, this stuff right here. That's all there is to it. And we'll be picking a winner soon because I'm almost finished with the kit. And don't forget, we'll be doing more Bar Mills Scale Model Works kits in the future, and we'll be giving them away also. We'll be doing that quite a bit. So keep watching for the next kit after this one here. So until the next time, we'll see you. And have fun with those structure kits. They're a little bit longer. So what you do, you start at the top and snip it off at the bottom. I'll do one here for you. Just peel the backing off of it. And on this one, we're going to do just the opposite of what we did in the front. We're going to let this one hang over a little bit because we're not going to be typically not going to see the back. So we just get it close and just press it down a little bit just to get it in place. And you can see I got it, it's hanging over just a little bit right there. So we'll take the next one. Now, if you like, you can cut that off. And what I'll do is I'll cut it off to just show you. Just take your straight edge. Make sure it's all the way up to the top. But normally what I do, I put both of them in place and then cut it. But I just wanted to show you so make it a little bit easier for you to see. Move that out just a little bit. And this one here, I'm going to bring up a little bit high, and then we'll snip off the top of it also, because of the roof, it's on an angle, so we'll be able to snip that off. But we'll just bring this one on the side over top. So you're not looking at two edge seams. You're just going to see one edge seam. And since this is the back, that's how it looks right there. And we'll just take we'll have to do it this way here because we got the shed sitting in the back. And we still got a piece sitting on there, so get off of there. Okay, so there you go. And on the top piece, you could do it with a straight edge, where if you have little scissors, you can cut it off that way also. And just get it as close as you can. If you have to, you could just sand off a little bit, but you make sure you have to hold on to it when you're sanding. Push it in towards the building so you don't mess with the adhesive, because adhesive isn't that strong. So just, you know, take it and go towards the building. And there you have the angle on it for the roof. Right there.